Let me show you how to put up a barrier in a doorway and maintain the opening, closing, and locking function. You need to do this if you are venting out of an exterior door and want to prevent consequential blowback air. Start by cleaning the door jamb and the door seal really well, otherwise you will get frustrated, trust me. Cut your plastic to size. The trick here is to apply the plastic onto the doorway seal or on the protruding reveal as I'm doing here because the seal is on the door itself. I've already tacked on the barrier with bits of tape into position. Now I'm fully taping it on once, twice, thrice, making sure it's really on there. Do it once and do it right so that you'll be able to use the same barrier day after day for the entirety of the project. Tape the exterior side too if you want to make it even stronger. The step in the doorway is problematic for setting up a fan, so we'll use the JimmyPro seal here. We'll save a bunch of time in sealing our fan with the ventilation port and the ventilation box to prevent overspray damage and to keep our customer's beautiful property clean. Let's not forget to crack open a window outside this contained area and make sure we designate an inlet for air to come in so that the negative air setup has where to draw air from, which enables proper ventilation and prevents the containment walls from caving in.